In this video, we are going to see the MCQ questions of chapter number 1, real numbers. So here goes the first question. The sum of exponents of prime factors in the prime factorization of 196 is dash. First option is 3, second option 4, third option 5, fourth option 2. So what we have to do is we have to first factorize 196 using prime factorization. So I'm starting with the 2. So 9 times 2 gives you 18. Again 8 times 2 gives you 16. So again with the 2 which gives you 49. Again we can do 7 times 49 gives you 7. So what we can write? We can write 196 as 2 square into 7 square. Okay, and read the question again. We have to find the sum of exponents of the prime factors. We got the prime factors with the exponents as 2 and 2. And we need to find the sum of exponents. So what will be the sum? Sum will be equal to 2 plus 2. Here the exponent is 2. Here also the exponent is 2. So the sum will give you 4. And which is our correct option? Option B. Okay, so let us move to the second question. The total number of factors of prime number is dash. Why we are saying a number as a prime number? Only because of the fact that it has only 2 factors. And which will be the factor? One factor will be 1, the number 1, and the number itself, isn't it? So the question is the total number of factors of prime number. We have to find the number of factors for a prime number. And number of factors for a prime number is 2, which is the option C. Moving to the third question. HCF and LCM of 12, 21, 15 respectively are 3, 140, option A, option B is 12, 420, option C is 3, 420 and option D is 423. So we have to find the HCF and LCM. For that what we will do? We will factorize 12. We will do the prime factorization. 4 into 3 gives you 12. 4 can be written as 2 square. So 2 square into 3 is 12. And if I take 21, 21 can be written as 3 into 7 and 15 can, 15 can be written as 3 into 5. To find the LCM, what we have to do is we have to take each and every prime factor with the highest power. So here 2 square is there. In these two numbers 2 square is not there. But since we have to calculate LCM, we have to take 2 square. Okay, in the next prime factor is 3. And here the power is 1, here also the power is 1, here also the power is 1. The factor 3 repeats in all the 3 numbers with the power 1. So we have to take a 3 itself. If it repeats with a different power, we have to take the greatest power. Again, moving to the next prime factor 7. 7 is only in this number, 3 into 7. Still, since we are taking the LCM, we have to write 7. And same is the case with the 5. 5 is only in 15. Okay, but as we are taking the LCM, we have to take 5 also. So what will be the number? 2 square. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 into 5 is 60. 60 into 7, which gives you 420. That will be the LCM. And to find the HCF, what we have to do? To find the HCF, what we will do is we have to take the prime factor which is common in all the terms. If I am taking the case of 2, 2 is there in the first number but not in the second and the third number. So we cannot take 2. Okay, in the case of 5, 5 is there for 15 but here in these two terms 5 is not there. So we are not supposed to take 5. The same is the case with the 7. Here 7 is there but in these two numbers 7 is not there. And what about the case of 3? 3 is here in 12. Here also is there. Here also is there. With the power 1. So HCF is 3. Suppose you are getting the power of 3 here as 2. Here let it be 3 raised to 1. Here let it be 3 raised to 1. Then if we want to find the HCF, what we have to do is we have to take the least power. To find the HCF, we will take the least power of the common factor. And to find the LCM, what we will do? We will take the highest power of each and every prime factor. We are not bothered whether it is common for all the terms or not. If it is common, we will take the highest factor, highest power. Otherwise, we will take the number. So here we are getting HCF as 3 and LCM as 420. So which is the option? Option will be option C. Correct option is option C. Okay, and here you can see, you can see 420 and 3 repeats, but look at the question HCF and LCM. We got HCF as 3, LCM as 420. So the correct option is 3, 420. Even though 420 and 3 are the HCF and LCM, here it is clearly mentioned as HCF and LCM respectively. That means the first value must be of HCF and the second value must be of LCM. So the answer will be 3, 420, which is option C.